Hey, you want to ride Ghost Rider?
You mean the wooden one?
No, the only good coaster here.
Okay, so you are talking about the GCA. Yeah, I'm sure. Let's go ride Ghost Rider.
No, Ghost Rider.
You're kidding me, right?
Yeah, it's Ghost Rider. See? It's Ghost Rider. I said Ghost Rider. I said Ghost Rider. Let's go Ghost Rider.
It's me. It's the RMC guy. We back here at Knott's with
MNL2 Contriver.
and we are here on Ghost Rider. And so since I have an RMC sweatshirt on, I'm thinking we should add a 90-degree vertical drop to this thing and make it 200 feet rather than 1. And basically, let's make this an RMC ride.
Yeah, so there's a tiny line here, so we're gonna wait in this tiny line. But yeah, we haven't, neither of us have been to Knott's in like quite a while.
Yep.
Also today is gonna be my first time riding Hangtime, so that's gonna be great.
You'll check that out later.
Yeah, so
later on in the vlog.
Yeah, so let's catch up to you guys when we're at the top, up there. Alright, oh wow, look at the line. RMC dude, you ready to ride?
A GCI? Yes.
Yay! Yeet! Ah, the most intense part of the ride! Hey look, a lift hill! Alright, so this is episode 2, Life with RMC Guy.
Live with RMC guys, episode 2. Alright guys, when you're riding a GCI, just think of how good it can be when the RMC is.
Ah, the sun. Luckily I have sunglasses on. Look at the park. Hey look, it's Hangtime.
Hangtime.
Wow, that's a beautiful park.
Ghost Rider, and this is gonna be nice.
Yeet! I'll yeet your spaghetti. Now yeet we go. Lovely day to walk down the road. If I ever stop singing, I will explode. Yeet! Ah! Ah, it's just so good! That was great. So how was that?
Number 2.
I stapled myself by accident in the middle of the ride, but that's
Oh
fine.
my goodness.
Well,
that was great.
We'll catch up to you guys when we get off the ride.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright boys, so we just got off Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider.
And how was that?
I've ridden it. This is probably my 12th time I've ridden Ghost Rider.
I think it was such a strong ride, but I just really wish there was more airtime. I felt
the floater-
one good airtime moment, a floater.
It was floater, and it was right after the first drop, and it was pretty good though.
It was still a great ride, but like I just wish there was more airtime. But other than that, it's a strong ride.
Yep.
Plenty of good.
It's just
goodness.
It's
like there's
wholesome.
not very many elements. It's just
It's wholesome.
good.
It's
Like,
a wholesome ride.
Yeah.
It's a classic too. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. Aside from like its Cedar Point counterpart, Mean Streak, that's gone.
Yeah. Why don't we just RMC it?
Yeah. Totally.
All right. So now we're about to ride Silver Bullet.
This will be my 15th time on the Silver Bullet, and we're about to enter the queue line for Silver Bullet, and thankfully there's not a line here. So it's basically a station wait, which is good because then we can rewrite it as many times as we like throughout the day. Hey guys, I have a great idea. They should just RMC Silver Bullet.
I think you need to stay off the internet. Like honestly.
They should RMC everything. Like everything should be RMC'd by now. Am I right?
Height restrictions also set.
All right. So we just got off Silver Bullet, which is right behind us. And how was that for a B&M invert?
Pretty good. B&M invert. That was my 15th time riding a B&M invert.
I don't know why you're keeping track, but we're gonna go ride Hangtime in a second, so that's gonna be great.
Yep, sure will.
All right, so we're about to ride Hangtime.
Hangtime! Let's go, baby. We're
And
about
this
to ride
is
Hangtime.
my first time on it.
Yep,
So-
this is his
and
first
also,
time on it, my 4th time on it. But you, this is your 50th roller coaster
Also, yeah, I was about
credit.
to say also, guys, this is my 50th credit, and yeah, I think that's, even though like I don't have that many credits compared to like some other enthusiasts.
Don't you love it when the line is this short too?
Yeah, so we've got a short line, first time in Hangtime, and this is gonna be great.
This is gonna be great, y'all, and I want to tell you guys one thing. This theming in the queue, I gotta say, they did pretty well on this. So this is actually what took longer in the construction rather than the actual building of the track and construction of the track.
That sounds very interesting.
and enjoy your ride on Hangtime.
Alright dudes, so I just got off my 50th coaster and I got my 50th credit, Hangtime at Knott's.
Yeah, Hangtime at Knott's. This is my 5th time I've ridden this coaster, so.
And it was my first. And okay, I think I put my expectations a little too high. I'm not saying it was definitely a solid ride, like it was really good. I don't know if it would be in my top 5, but like, I think my expectations were a little too high. It was still a good ride, but it wasn't as good as I thought it would be.
Yeah.
But it was still great.
But anyway, we're gonna go ride Supreme Screen because Accelerator. Oh yeah, Supreme Meme. Supreme Meme because Accelerator is down like usual.
Freaking Accelerator over there. Alright, see you guys in a second. Okay, so Accelerator's closed right now for reasons, and so we're gonna go ride Supreme Meme like we mentioned earlier.
Supreme Meme.
But I just thought it's totally worth mentioning that, you know, the only good coaster here is closed.
Yeah.
That's great.
It's also the only one worth waiting in line for, too.
Alright, so let's make a quote here. So we've got Top Thrill downtime right here, and we've got maintenance beat dudes on site working on it.
Yep.
So we have no idea how long that's going to take, or even if
it looks like a simple fix since they're already on the track, but
yeah, I don't know if it might be open today. Hopefully, because I want to ride Accelerator.
Me too. I want to ride Accelerator.
It's my favorite launch coaster.
It's better than Dragster.
Now I'm going to ride my second favorite drop tower, Supreme Screen, because Lex Luthor's definitely better.
Yep. But how much time does Lex Luthor usually have? A lot.
A lot. So at least this thing's actually like, I think it's reliable. I don't go here often enough to know. But
no,
yeah.
This thing is pretty reliable.
Let's ride Supreme Meme. Alright, are you ready for some Supreme Meme?
Yeah. Let's say today is your lucky day.
Alright, yeah, when we get to the top.
No, even so, we don't even have time to deliver it. We have to do it before we get to the top.
Alright, bet. Yeah, the stall at the top's not very long.
Alright, here we go.
We should memorize this.
Keeping your head back against the headrest at all times.
Alright, bet.
And enjoy your ride.
Wow, that's nice. Alright, yeah, you just kind of talk. Oh, look, the other tower's going too. Alright, bet, here we go, boys. We going 300 and something feet, because I don't remember how tall exactly this thing is.
Alright, here we go. I'll tell you what.
Lex Luthor's better. Today's your lucky day. Today, your life changes forever, and this may very well be the high point of your insignificant existence. Mwah-ha-ha-ha-ha. Why does the water look green?
I don't know.
Also, you did it way too early. We haven't even stopped moving yet. Today is your lucky day. Today, your life changes forever, and this may very well be the high point of your insignificant existence. 3, 2,
1.
Yeah! That was pretty weak.
I know, right? Lex Luthor's is kind of better.
Lex Luthor's better.
Lex Luthor is so much better.
I get a good view, that's all that matters.
Huh?
I said I got a good view, so that's all that
matters. You got a good view
matters.
of the park, though.
Yeet.
Whee!
Alright, that was great. Let's go ride something relevant.
I know, right? Yeah, I went down faster than gravity. That was real wrong.
Sure it did. Alright, bet. Well, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah!
Alright, boys, so we just got off
Supreme
Meme. It was pretty weak and forceless.
Yeah.
So Lex Luthor's better. You get an extra 100 feet of falling. So now we might ride Jaguar. We have no idea if it's going to have a long line or not.
Depends on the long line, because usually this is a coaster everyone rides. Everyone and their mamas ride.
Exactly.
And look at that, we're now in a dark room.
Oh, and you guys probably can't see us anymore, so I'm going to shut this off.
We're about to go on Manamima's Revenge. I'm just kidding,
Wait,
Jaguar.
and we're doing a straight face challenge on this. So
Straight face.
Alright guys, so we're on Jaguar. We're gonna do a straight face now.
Alright, so we just got off of Memoir.
And we just did the Jaguar Memoir.
Jaguar straight face challenge.
Yep.
As you just saw. And we're about to ride on Mamma Mia's Revenge. Alright. Alright guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Really Bad Editing. Alright, so in this episode of Bad Editing, we're riding Mamma Mia's Revenge. Is that
Mamma
what?
Mia's Revenge.
Okay. And it's a station weight, I believe?
Yep, it is sure is a station weight.
And yeah, this, I think it has the same speed as West Coast Races is gonna have. So, time for a sneak peek of how weak the launch is gonna be.
Yeah.
Riders, please prepare for launch. Place your head against the headrest behind you and hold on to the handrail in front of you.
Clear for dispatch.
The train is rapidly approaching the station. Please do not lean on or over the loading gates.
RMC guy, explain the challenge.
Okay, we have to say yeah, boy.
So right when they say clear dispatch, we have to say yeah, and then we're gonna hold out a boy for the entire ride, which is like 30 seconds, probably less. Yeah, sure.
Are you doing hands-up?
Yeah.
Riders, please prepare for launch.
Okay.
Place your head against the headrest
After he says
behind
clear
you.
dispatch, say yeah.
Hold on to the handrail in front of you.
Clear for dispatch.
Yeah, boy! Oh, that was great. Okay, good news and bad news. The good news is accelerators reopened.
Yeah, and they fixed the launch. They fixed the issue with the cable on the launch.
And the bad news is they're running one train and it already has like a full queue. Not a full queue,
a full
but
queue. Oh my goodness, that's a full queue.
Yeah, a pretty full queue. So, but anyways,
Probably
we're gonna
see you guys in the line there.
yeah, we're gonna eat right now, and then we're probably gonna go wait in line for it because it's accelerator. It's a good ride.
Accelerator is best ride.
Stay tuned for food review with RMC guy number 3.
As you guys can tell, I probably you can see that I just devoured these carne asada fries. This is food review with RMC guy episode 3, and we are reviewing the carne asada fries at Knott's Berry Farm. I've been seeing these all over Instagram, and
And I gotta say, they really met my expectations and it probably exceeded them with these things. They're pretty good. And Contriver here is having your burger. And yeah, we'll probably see you guys in line for Accelerator.
So what are we about to do?
We're about to get on the Timber Mountain log ride, and no ride has a good queue right now, so this is our last resort right now. Are we going left or right? Alright, we're going right. Let's do right Twix this time.
Alright, bet.
Left Twix or right Twix? Are you brave enough for right Twix, or are you bold enough for left Twix?
Let's check out Accelerator for me. If I can see it. Never mind, I can't see it. Hey look, they're operating all three sides now. Oh nice. Yep, still. Alright, so yeah, we're on Timber Mountain log ride. Timber Memeton log ride. Are you just gonna add meme into every single ride? Yes. Alright, so let's get back at the log. I'm fat because I stuffed my bag under my shirt and my jacket.
Silver Bullet's up again.
Yeah, out and about. We enter in deep woods in here.
Hey, look, a twain.
Yeah, the choo-choo plane. A choo-choo plane. Alright, so shall we commence with Life with RMC Guy number 4? Alright, Life with RMC Guy number 4. Basically, when you're on a log flume, just imagine how good all this wood from the log can be used to make an RMC. Oh, and Silver Bullet's back up, by the way. Yeah. So we're on a log flume right now, and just remember, if you always have the chance to ride a log flume or an RMC, ride an RMC. You should just ride an RMC.
I think that would be anybody's pick, literally.
Yeah.
You know, I could just dunk this in the wall with that.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Then your handle will be slammed against the back. I'm gonna try it on your cheek. Alright. I can't see anything. Oh shoot, I just realized we're gonna drop. Well, now my feet got wet. The turn made me more wet than the drop. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. It's dark. I can't have stuff. It's big. It's scary. And it's pink. No, it's big. It's scary and it's pink. Yeah. I said. It looks good, man. Hey, look, a bear. Hey, look, whatever that's the mountain lion, I think. Mountain lion, yeah. Oh, exit signs. It's vibrating. What is this? Hey, no. Hey, all right, here we go. Yeah. I'm gonna get nightmares now. All right, now let's do it. Hey, stop this. Stop it. We're on a log flume. We're on a log flume. We're on a log flume. Burn the hole. Hey, chill. Yeah, let's drop it. Here we go.
Now my feet are soaked. Okay, so we just got off Timber Mountain Meme. What is it?
Timber Memeton log ride.
And so now we be heading to
Silver Bullet once more.
Shiny Bullet.
Tiny bullet. No, it's a nickel bullet. Metal bullet.
Nickel firearm. Nickel ammo.
Nickel ammo. Nickel round, technically. Nickel round.
Alright, so we just got off Silver Bullet again in the back, and we were both riding on edge seats. So he was on the back left. How was that?
Pretty forceful, if I say so myself. Pretty
And-
forceful.
And all I can say is now my head hurts.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even because of like head banging, it's just
It was
too
forceful.
much force.
on the final helix. That's where I find it. That's where like my left
We
side
just
was
kicked
right.
in on like the whole duration of the ride, but it was still a good ride nonetheless.
We ran
It's
into
silver
a guy
bullet.
wearing a Steel Vengeance shirt, so it was pretty cool.
Coaster enthusiasts everywhere. We're being oppressed like gamers.
Yes, we are.
Coaster enthusiasts and gamers rise. All right, boys. So we just had the giantest cookie sandwich ever, an ice cream cookie sandwich. He didn't finish his because he's a pleb, and yeah, now we about to be riding Accelerator
Oh, look at
in
this.
like an hour.
Oh my gosh, guys, we're about to ride Top Thrill Dragster. Like, oh my goodness.
Are you high or something? Okay, so explain to us the history of this ride. Life with RMC guy in the Accelerator queue, number 5.
All right, so I will explain to you the history of Accelerator. One day, people at Intamin thought, hey, what is if it's a good ride to do a hydraulically launched coaster? And people said, hey, that's a good idea. So and back in 2003, this thing was, or 2002, I think, this thing was built. And now it's the fastest acceleration in North America and the fastest launch coaster. What am I saying?
You sound really drunk, like.
I don't know, man. We are currently in line for Accelerator, and we waited about 35 minutes so far.
I think it's been like 15,
50?
maybe 20.
Maybe 20. But so far, we're doing pretty good, and
We are almost there.
we're this close to riding the North America's fastest acceleration. Until Max Force comes in and trolls it. All right,
All right, boys, so we just got off of Accelerator.
Oh man, still my top #1 launch coaster.
Now get ready. Here we go.
We actually said that just like we were on Storm Runner.
Oh, so where are we going?
I don't know. I guess let's go to
Let's
that
turn.
way.
Yeah, that way. All right. So the best part, obviously the launch, and then the second best part, obviously the top hat.
The airtime that you get at the top
Yeah,
hat
you got
where you
pretty
don't
good.
get stapled is pretty spicy.
I couldn't even tell if it was ejector or floater. It was like an in
it was like
between.
in between, actually. Like going up, it feels like ejector, and then at the top, it feels like floater.
Exactly.
But I gotta say,
Flowjector.
Flowjector.
We got some flowjector airtime, and then
But that
there's
launch had me like,
and then there's Supreme Beam.
Oh, man.
Supreme.
I don't know where we're gonna go next after this.
We have no idea. Well, let's figure it out. We about to ride Soul Spin.
Yep, full spin.
You know, best RMC hybrid at Knott's.
Yeah, best RMC hybrid at Knott.
Well, look, it's Jaguar. Oh, let me keep contact with the ground while I still can.
Please do not extend your arms or legs.
Oh no, the ground. Ground! Well, the ground left me.
Yep. We're on a flat ride. We're on
Is this the only flat ride we've ridden today? Oh no, Supreme Screen. Alright, now we beat Tilted Towers, boys. Well, this is relaxing.
This is relaxing.
Slightly less relaxing. Still pretty relaxing. Excuse me, sir. Oh God, what the heck? Excuse me, sir, that's not very nice. Oh my God. What is going on? What is this? We are high up. What? Is that it? Okay, now that's not very nice, alright? You trying to tell me that's it? You want to tell me that that's how short this ride is? Well, I mean, not the most intense flat ride, but that was still pretty fun. Meanwhile, I am completely stapled. Alright, so we just got off the best RMC hybrid at Knott's Berry Farm. It's called Soul Spin. It was better than I expected, but not the greatest. I wish it was longer.
Yeah, we only got like 2 really good flips.
It was too short of a ride. But anyways, we be in Camp Snoopy, we be boutin' to ride Hop and Puff, because that's the most intense in-spin giga here.
Oh my gosh, like it makes Top Thrill Dragster look so weak.
Like you. Anyways, I broke RMC guy. Anyways, we be heading to what, Sierra Sidewinder?
Sierra Sidewinder.
What's its meme name?
Memera Meme Winder.
And this is why. Okay, so we just rode Silver Bullet for the thrice time.
Thrice.
Right in the back again. And I gotta tell you, I love that vertical loop.
Okay, I'm gonna make a parody of like what happened in the first vlog I did. Okay, ready? I think it's Raptor.
Anyways, we be heading to Hangtime because it's not really dark, but by the time we get on, let's hope it's a little bit darker.
Yeah, when we get on, you'll see like the lights, chaser lights, really pretty. And then if we can, we'll probably go on Ghost Rider with the G, Ghost Rider with the G, and then we'll probably go on Ghost Rider with the C.
Definitely not.
Ghost Rider with the C.
I don't feel like elevating my life. I don't think that's a word, but okay.
You want to hit up the Tokyo Drift then?
Oh, bet. I would be down if there wasn't a line, but unfortunately lines exist.
But hey, you hate lines? Buy Fastlane, only $74.99 an hour.
Alright, so we just got off Hangtime at night.
This thing
front row, edge seat for me.
This thing was hauling. It was great.
It definitely is going a lot faster than it was earlier. And I can see Ghost Rider's lights. Okay, so now what are we about to do?
We're gonna go Pony Express.
Because why not? Launch coasters.
Yeah, launch coasters are the best.
Because it's either that or Montezuma's, because Accelerator. Ha, good luck.
Yeah, good luck. I mean, it's night. We could probably go check out the Lion on the way back. So.
Yeah, does anyone care about Pony Express at this point?
I don't think so. I don't think
or
anyone
we could
cares.
ride Voyage to the Iron Reef.
Ew, it's Trio-Tech or Trio-Tech.
I'll try your tech.
Ew.
Anyways, hey look, a Ghost Rider logo on the side of the thingy.
Wow, it's totally a Wild Mouse can be commercialized.
Hey look, Epilepsy Arcade stuff.
Oof.
That looks great. Looks fun.
Something. Okay, so we're going on Ghost Rider at night for the second time. Today, I can't English no more because we just rode a hang time on when it was hauling, so we can't.
Okay, so we just got off of Meme Rider, also known as Ghost Rider, at night in the very back row.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, now we can't see us.
Now you can't see us.
Oh well, just listen to our voices.
Wow.
Or RMC guy's voice.
Okay, so that ride was great. We got flung over that drop. This thing is completely hauling. The track is warmed up. And in the back seat, perfect.
And I gotta say, GCI, that's 10 out of 10. Good job with the retrack on Ghost Rider. Anyways, I think we're gonna ride Silver Bullet because it's nighttime and I don't think you can see us, but oh well, life's tough. That looks pretty.
Yeah, it does. So we're gonna ride Silver Bullet again, most likely.
Because why not?
It's Christmas time and it's before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Literally, it's so. We gotta have enough. It's not actually. Nah, we gotta have enough to close the block.
Alright, so after finding light and after riding a bunch of great coasters at Knott's, we're concluding our vlog here at Knott's Berry Farm. Well, Knott's Merry Farm.
Knott's Merry Farm.
I still gotta tell you, Ghost Ride over there was a pretty darn good ride at night.
This was great. So you guys know what to do. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share to this guy's channel,
Yeet.
MNL2 Contriver, and I don't know.
And that's it.
I don't have a punchline. So bye.